In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove contact records from a static list in HubSpot. We'll walk through this step by step so you can confidently manage your lists without worrying about breaking anything. Static lists are great when you want a fixed group of contacts that you control manually instead of automatically based on filters. That's exactly what we're working with here. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're on the main dashboard, move your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Look for the CRM icon, hover your mouse over that icon, and a menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option called Segments or Lists, depending on how your account is labeled. This will open the main lists area where you can see all your existing segments. Find the static list you want to edit. You can use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of lists. Once you find the correct static list, click on its name to open it. You're now inside the page for that specific static list. At the top right corner of the screen, look for the button labeled Actions. Click on this button. From the drop-down that appears, select Add Contacts. A pop-up window will open, allowing you to choose which contacts you'd like to add to the static list. In the pop-up, click the drop-down field to search for and select the contact or contacts you want to include. You can add up to 25 contacts at a time using this method, so keep that limit in mind if you're working with a larger number. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right people. When you're ready, scroll to the bottom of the pop-up and click the Add Contacts button. HubSpot will process the update and add those contacts to your static list. Now let's look at how to remove contacts from the same list. Still inside your static list, find the contact you want to remove. On the left side of each contacts row, you'll see a checkbox. Click this checkbox to select that contact. You can select multiple contacts if you want to remove several at once. Once your contacts are selected, look toward the top of the table, just above the column headers. You'll see a More button. Click this button, and from the drop-down menu, choose Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking you to confirm the deletion. You'll be asked to type the number of records you're deleting into a field. This is an extra safety step to make sure you don't remove contacts by mistake. Type in the number shown, then click the Delete button. After a moment, you should see a confirmation message at the top of the screen indicating that those contacts have been removed from the list. And that's it. You now know how to manually add and remove contacts from a static list in HubSpot.